Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today is Kargil Vijay Divas. So I am going to draw a poster on that topic. So let's start. First of all, we'll draw a soldier. In this poster, I am going to draw a soldier holding Indian national flag as a sign of victory. Okay. Draw the another hand. So this is our soldier and he is holding our national flag in his hands. Okay. So this is our national flag. Okay, now finally I'm going to draw the Ashok Chakra with dark blue color. "572 soldiers sacrificed their lives during Kargil war. It was a huge loss for our country. So we cannot forget the sacrifice of our soldiers." Okay, so our poster drawing is complete. Now start coloring it. Color our flag with orange and green color. Now do the black color in soldier. Okay, so our poster drawing is complete. Now write down the slogans. I am writing here Kargil Vijay Divas. We all should respect our soldiers because we are living safely. It's because of them only. They are doing so much for our country, and we cannot ignore their sacrifices at all. So friends, our poster drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.